In this video we'll see the 6 worst toxins that are man-made and that lead to obesity and so many liver issues. They are toxic chemicals in environment that have nothing to do with calories, such as plastic food boxes that are microwaved, feeding bottles, plastic toys and the chemicals they contain, and cooking equipment such as non-Teflon utensils, cosmetics and other products, as well as labeling. However, all of these items produce chemicals that simulate the impact of estrogen, which is known to be one of the hormones that cause fat. There seem to be many materials, but we will mention the worst among them. 1. Bisphenol A. One of the compounds contained in biting plastics, which tends to move into food and drinks, is an endocrine disruptor, which means it interferes with human hormone function, leading to obesity and liver disease. 2. Phthalate. Found in plastic packaging and certain other types of food packaging. Their negative consequences are primarily related to fertility, the development of the pregnancy, and the baby. These phthalate have also been linked to endocrine disruption. 3. Atrazine. It's the most widely used herbicide, so it's present in all of your foods. Among its effects on health are breast tumors, ovarian, and uterine cancer, as well as leukemia and lymphoma, all of which are harmful to the health of the individual. 4. Perfluorooctanoic acid. It's a chemical that is utilized in the production of non-stick kitchenware such as toxic Teflon pans. PFOA has the ability to remain in the body for extended periods of time. In laboratory animals, it has been proven to affect growth and development, reproduction, and the liver's functions. 5. Diethylstilbestrol. In the United States it was discontinued in 1971. That's when scientists discovered it increased the risk of cancer in some women. It is one of the elements that was prohibited from usage at the time, but it's still present in the environment to some level. 6. Selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors. They are a type of antidepressant that can increase obesity rates as one of its effects. They are commonly used to treat major depressive disorders, anxiety disorders, and other psychological conditions. However, there are some foods that you should begin consuming since they contribute to the progressive removal of toxins from the body, by removing the greatest quantity of toxins through the detoxification center, which is the liver. In the first and second stages of the detoxification process, the liver has the potential to transform poisons into healthy molecules. Cruciferous vegetables, such as white and red cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, radish, watercress, and turnip, are ideal for accelerating this process. Therefore, probiotics, often known as beneficial bacteria, might be used. The more microbial diversity there is in the gut, the better the ability to deal with these toxins. Sauerkraut contains probiotics in collard greens, as well as fermented vegetables, both of which are extremely healthy since they include both plant fiber probiotics and good bacteria. You should continue to include these items in your diet since they will not only prevent you from obesity, but also keep you away from the toxins that cause so many issues.